Sanibona, boys and girls. Welcome to another lesson of Isizulu. And today is the 29th of Untlangulana 2020. We are almost done with Untlangulana and we're going to move on to Untulikazi, which is July. Okay, so today we're going to be continuing with our vocabulary. And it is our vocabulary for verbs. Okay, we've been doing verbs, and that's what we're going to continue with. We're just going to do a quick exercise. But before that, let me let you know what you need for this lesson. Okay, so what you need for this lesson is your blue book, and you need to be on page 63. And then you need your color pencils or your roll-ups. Okay, you can use either. All right, so make sure that you have that. If you're in class, quickly take it out. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be matching the word. Okay, so on page 63, we're going to be matching the Isizulu word to the correct English word. So on page 63, as you can see, we have some words on the right side and we have some words on the left side. And they are not in order, and that's why you have to match them. All right, let me just quickly show you so you can see what I'm talking about, and I'm going to give you an example. Okay, so this is going to be our example. As you can see, I'm also on page 63, and there's some words here on the right and some words here on the left, and I have to match the Isizulu words that are on the right to the correct English word. Okay, so I think to help you, on page 62, which is just next to it, so you don't have to page over, you have your vocabulary that you've been learning from. Okay, so if you get confused or if you don't know the word, that's fine. You can just look on page 62 and you will find the answer. Okay, because there's also the Isizulu and the English. So I'm going to start and just give you a few examples because there's a lot of words here. Okay, so this, I'm going to use the color red. You can use different colors for each word so that when I check your book I can see which one is going, because there's a lot of words. Okay, so make sure that you use different colors for each match that you make. Okay, so we're going to start with Ila. So here, okay, let me first use the black and to put the E here at the beginning. There's supposed to be an E there. So Ila. So now you look for Ila and then you have to check what Ila means. Okay, you might know it. If you don't, you can look on page 63. And Ila means eat. Eat. So then you draw a line there and then you match it with eat, just like that. And now I'm going to do one at the bottom, vula, vula. Okay, and then if you don't know what it is, you can go and check on page 62, and then vula, you find out. Oh, actually, I'm going to use a different color. Let's erase that because I'm supposed to use a different color. So I'm going to use green for this one. And vula is open, open. Okay, last one. Okay, last one, we'll make it blue. We will do ima, ima. And then if you don't know what it is, remember to look on page 62. Ima is wait or stop, and you will match it with that one. Okay, once you are done, that's going to be the end of our exercise. And then you need to remember one thing. Okay. Okay, the one thing that you need to remember is to send me your work on MS Teams. Okay, remember to do that, and you will be done for today. I hope you have fun doing this and looking for the words, and that you remember a lot of words, and try to remember them before you look on page 62, and you'll find out that you actually know quite a lot. Okay, salam gahle, boys and girls.